from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome to our channel. Today's video is another baking one. I am back in the kitchen making a family favorite that I love to make in the fall, but you can make it year-round. You can use fall fruits such as apples and pears, which I've done, and you can close them up and make them like a hand pie, or you can leave them open and rustic, and they are called fruit crostatas. So come along with me and let's make these. I hope you enjoy the video. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all. I'm going to make some fruit crostatas. This is something I try to do most every fall. I've had this recipe for several years. You can use just apples, just pears, or what I usually try to do, which is a combination of both, although I do think Tim prefers them with just apples. Normally I use Honeycrisp or Galas. This year I'm going to try Jazz apples, which I have never tried, so I may be ruining a tried and true recipe. But as always, the ingredients will be listed in a link below, and I'll go over everything really quick. You can use store-bought, already made pie crust dough. We're going to roll it out really thin and mix up a fruit mixture of the cut-up fruit, some sweetened dried craisins or cranberries. We'll need brown sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, a whole bunch of seasonings. I've got ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and nutmeg. You can also substitute some allspice for one or more of those. We'll need a pinch of salt because I think everything sweet needs salt. And then when we roll them up, we're going to brush them with some egg wash, a little butter, and then Tim likes his with turbinado sugar on top. So let me show you how I make these fruit crostatas. We're going to preheat the oven, 400. Going to add the craisins and toss the fruit together and put some lemon juice on it while I'm preparing the dough so it doesn't turn brown any more than it has to. I don't like so much thick dough, so I try to roll the pie crust out a little bit thinner than they come out of the package. I'll take the fruit. I probably did not get a big enough bowl. That has been tossed with the lemon juice, and then sprinkle all the dry seasonings and cornstarch on it. Try to get everything coated. And then we will fill each of the pie wedges, the dough wedges, with the fruit mixture. We're going to fold them in and make, you can either make pockets, or you can take them and do a rustic, like a crostata, and leave some of it open and exposed, like that. There's really no wrong way or no right way to do it. Tim prefers them closed, I think. I like them open. And we're going to take the egg wash and cover all the dough. Then you take a little pat of butter and put a little in with the fruit. Tim likes his topped with turbinado sugar. So we're going to sprinkle some of that on the top. And then we're going to put them in our preheated 400-degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna get these in the oven and start on the next tray, or the other tray, and this makes 8 crostatas. These took 15 minutes in my oven. Every oven is different, so do whatever you need to do. You can leave, remember, you can leave them open, more like a crostata, or close them up, more like a hand pie. They're not the prettiest things in the world. Sometimes they ooze out. But I've never professed to be a chef, much less a pastry chef, and as far as I'm concerned, they taste delicious, and that's enough for me. I'm gonna go find my taste tester and give him one. These are our fruit crostatas. I hope you get a chance to make them and check out some other recipes on our channel. These are delicious. I make them every fall with apples or pears. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. Let's cook, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. Have a wonderful and blessed day, y'all.